from Vienna, dumiretso na po kami sa London. Medyo hectic lang ng konti. Kasi from the airport, dumiretso na kami sa venue. Whew! Ano iniisip nyo? Hindi kami naligo? Nag-shower naman kami ng konti bago kami pumunta sa venue para mag-concert. Makikita nyo yon. I told you, di ba? Unpredictable ang show na ito. London is the capital of England, which is part of United Kingdom, at isa sa mga tinatawag po nating key global cities sa mundo dahil sa madami nitong iconic landmarks. Isa rin ito sa pinaka-populated na lugar at ang estimated population ng mga tao doon ay around 12 to 14 million. At ang estimated population naman ng mga Pinoy ay nasa 100,000. Dami-daming magagandang lugar dito sa London. Ito daw ang unang major settlement ng mga taga-Roma noong 1843.
So in Europe, well, of course, just a chance to see a lot of nice museums, a lot of nice landmarks, a lot of nice tourist attractions. In London, well, it was a chance to meet some friends of my wife were there, so I met up with them, and as a photographer, I was able to take a lot of nice pictures in Vienna, in London, in Amsterdam. I'm a hobbyist. Photography is my hobby, and I was able to document all of these things.
Tower of London ay itinayo noong 1078 ni William the Conqueror. Dati itong palasyo, isa itong parang fortress at kulungan para sa mga importanteng tao.
You've never been to London if you haven't ridden in a taxi, the tube, which is the train, a bus, and then we saw Big Ben. I got to know Jolina Bagdagal and her dad, and her mom. I had a sort of closeness with her father because he is also into photography and stuff. Of course, Rico J. A memorable thing, we played golf with Rico J in Vienna. Yeah, it's my first time to play golf outside of the country. Everybody, nangyayat between, bonded with my wife, So it's really, it's an experience na when I see these people again, we will have something in common and we will have, stories to tell.
Ang mga taga-England ay mahiling mag-commute. Iba kasi ang subway nila dito YouTube kung tawagin, o tinatawag sa London na underground or tube. Ito raw ang pinakauna at pinakamalaking metro system sa mundo simula 1863. Ang Chelsea Bridge naman ay unang itinayo noong 1858 bilang toll bridge sa ibabaw ng River Thames. Its design was to complement Battersea Park.
When the half-light makes for a clearer view, sleep a little more if you want to, but restlessness has seized me now, it's true. I could watch the dreams flicker in your eyes.
We had a chance to to bond with Filipino overseas Filipino workers and their families. It's parang it's our chance to, parang ako, my take on it is like, this is our way of, when we do shows for them, it's our way of thanking them, because in a way, the revenues that we get from these people who send their money home, this is what keeps our country afloat. This is what makes our economy stable. It's the millions, the hundreds of millions of dollars that are remitted by these overseas foreign workers, mga Pilipino. So they are in essence parang, for me, my perception is that they're unsung heroes.
Sleep a little more if you want to, but restlessness has seized me now, it's true. I could watch the dreams flicker in.
Ang pinakabagong atraksyon ngayon ay ang London Eye o Millennium Wheel. Noong 1999 naman ito nagbukas, pero ito ang pinakamalaking observation wheel sa buong mundo.
It's, for me, I've been away from the overseas series of concerts for a long time, so it's my chance to touch base again with my fans. Overall, I think many people they miss the Philippines. They miss Filipino music. They missed me because I got a lot of kisses from the crowd and a lot of hugs. I felt that you're still in the Philippines in a way. Most of these people have been away 15, 20 years, and yet, they haven't lost their Filipino heritage. They're very hospitable.
When we in my dreams, you want to read, so it seems. Inside my head, a giant screen plays every scene. While I scream out for you every time I go to sleep. Wake up in the middle of the night and I weep. She's gotta be mine. That girl is so fine. Girl be mine, girl be mine. Yeah. The sunshine, let the rivers run away, 'cause it's a beautiful day now, to play now, and as I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me. You don't feel kinda lonely? Could you be, would you be, could you be, would you be, could you be, would you be, be mine?
The reception is electrifying. You can feel it in your bones. It was pretty cold, but the warmth that exuded, that emanated from the crowd, it's really heartwarming.
Tingnan naman natin kung paano mangmusta ang ating mga kababayan sa London. Meron na kaya sila ng mga British accent, as in, London Bridge is falling down. Falling down, falling down, my first lady. Meron na kaya silang ganong accent? At hulaan nyo, saan kami pupunta pagkatapos ng London? Kaya huwag kayong pipihit. Diyan lang kayo. Don't change that channel. Okay? Hello!